If Lightroom is showing the import error, not writable, don't worry. This is usually a permissions issue, and in most cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to get Lightroom importing normally again, starting with the main fix that solves the problem for most users. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and Lightroom guides. Let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is check the folder permissions on the location you're trying to import from or save to. On Windows, right-click the folder, choose Properties, then open the Security tab. Here, select your username and click Edit. Now make sure Full Control is enabled, then click Apply. This is important because Lightroom needs proper read and write access to work with that folder without triggering the not writable error. If you're dealing with nested folders, also look for an option that says Include Subfolders. Enabling this helps Lightroom detect the folder structure correctly, especially if your photos are stored inside several layers of folders. Next, go into the Lightroom import window and make sure Include Subfolders is checked there as well. This helps Lightroom scan everything properly and can prevent missing files or permission-related import issues. After that, choose the correct destination. In the Import panel, look for Destination and select a folder that is definitely writable, such as your desktop or Documents folder. These locations are usually safer for testing because they're less likely to have restricted permissions. Try to avoid importing directly to system folders or protected locations at first, because that can cause the same error again. If you're importing from an external drive, be careful there too, especially if the drive has limited permissions or is formatted in a way Lightroom doesn't like. A simple writable folder on your main drive is the best place to test. If Lightroom still refuses to import, try running it as an administrator. To do that, right-click Lightroom Classic and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the app elevated permissions and can immediately fix access problems when Windows is blocking normal file operations. Once Lightroom opens, try the import again and see if the error is gone. In many cases, one of these steps will resolve it right away, but the folder permissions fix is the one you should focus on first because that is the most common cause. So remember the simple order. Check folder permissions, enable full control, use Include Subfolders if needed, choose a writable destination, avoid restricted locations, and run Lightroom as administrator if necessary. If this video helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe because I post more simple fixes like this to help you solve Lightroom issues faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.